If you're seeing Facebook error code 18, don't worry, because in many cases, this is usually caused by a temporary block or suspicious activity on your account. In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way to fix it step by step, and I'll also give you a few safe things to do so you can get back into Facebook without making the problem worse. If this tutorial helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, the most important thing to understand is that Facebook error code 18 is often not a permanent issue. It usually means Facebook has temporarily limited some actions because it detected unusual behavior, too many actions too quickly, or something on the account that looked suspicious. So the first step is to stop using Facebook for a while. That means no liking, no posting, no commenting, no sharing, and no rapid switching between actions. Give the account some time to cool down. Next, wait 24 to 48 hours. In many cases, that temporary block will clear on its own during that time. This is one of the most effective fixes, because if the issue is related to a short-term restriction, Facebook may automatically remove it after the waiting period. While you wait, try not to repeatedly log in and out or keep refreshing the app over and over, because that can sometimes make the issue seem more suspicious. After the waiting period, go ahead and log out of Facebook completely. Then, log back in again using your normal account details. This simple step can sometimes reset the session and clear the error if it was caused by a temporary login issue or a stuck authentication session. If you are using the Facebook app, close it fully before opening it again. If you're on a browser, make sure you sign out, close the tab, and then open Facebook again from scratch. If you still see the error, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. This is especially helpful if you're using Facebook on a computer, because old cache data can sometimes conflict with Facebook's current session and trigger errors. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear both cache and cookies, then restart the browser and sign back into Facebook. If you're using the Facebook app and the issue continues, you can also try clearing the app cache from your phone settings. On some devices, outdated stored data inside the app can cause login or loading problems similar to error code 18. After clearing the cache, reopen the app and check whether the issue is gone. Another thing to do is make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can make Facebook behave strangely and make an account restriction look worse than it actually is. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restarting your router if needed. If none of that works, check whether Facebook has asked you to confirm your identity or verify account activity. Sometimes a temporary block is linked to a security check, and completing that step can help restore normal access. Also, be careful not to use any automation tools, suspicious extensions, or third-party apps that could make Facebook think your account activity is unusual. So to recap, the main fix for Facebook error code 18 is to stop actions for a while, wait 24 to 48 hours, log out and log back in, and clear your browser cache and cookies if needed. In most cases, that resolves the issue without any complicated steps. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.